Today guys, isi-share ko sa inyo ang aking experience bilang isang magulang going back to school, online schooling this next school year. And of course, I have here is the POCO C40 na bagong release ni POCO. And papakita ko sa inyo no, kung bakit itong phone na ito ay okay para sa online schooling ng inyong mga anak. Tara, simulan natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond na Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So previously, na-review na natin ang POCO C40. So today, we're not going to talk about yung mga specs, deep dive into yung mga photography, but today I'm going to share to you ang aking experience preparing for my son's online schooling. Back to school this coming September. And malapit-lapit na dahil nasa August na tayo. And some other school have even started to go back to school already. And some of them having hybrid classes, MWF na may pasok, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, online schooling, and some are still on a full online schooling learning. So sa case sa aking anak, is a hybrid learning. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, going back to school for half day, and Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, sa bahay lang sila online schooling. So I did try this one and let him sit down sa kanyang orientation sa Zoom. So it was able to perform. Now, I know that this phone is not meant for gaming. Like, probably most of you would want it to be with that price point. And siya pala guys, ang price na itong phone na ito with the 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage is priced at 5,899. And the 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage is priced at 6,499. Now, for the first 100 buyers, they will get a free Xiaomi True Wireless Bluetooth Earphone Air 2 SE. And it's very limited for the first 100 buyers, so click the link on the description below. For me, first stop sa online learning, I want a big screen. 6.71-inch na IPS LCD. And I know na yung mga bata these days, medyo hindi nila gusto ang mga small screens. Of course, the bigger the screen, it's better dahil mas immersive ang online learning, mas magandang experience. Kasi nakikita mo lahat ng mga fina-flash ng teacher, nakita mo mukha ng teacher, nakikita mo rin mga mukha ng iyong mga classmate at iyong mga crush. Now, I can say na itong phone na ito was able to give me that experience probably sa anak ko, not sa akin kasi hindi naman ako nag-online schooling. Now, there are 3 apps dito na tinry natin for online schooling. One is Zoom, like here na pinapakita ko sa inyo sa screen. And you don't need to sign up. All you need to do, if meron kang meeting room na papasukan, just join a meeting. And sali lang kayo. Type mo lang meeting ID, kung ano man number yan. Like I said dito sa Zoom, you don't need to create an account. All you need to do is just punch in yung 9-digit na meeting ID number dito sa inyong phone. Now, I'll try on my other phone and create a meeting para makapag-try lang tayo dito for demonstration purpose. So, like ito, kita natin, there's a meeting ID number. So, ito try lang natin sumali, no? So, ito yung number. Now, pangalan natin is POCO C40. So, I'll just start a meeting. Okay, so mag-start lang tayo ng meeting this kabila. Okay. So, right now, we'll join. So, kailangan mo lang mag-enter ng meeting passcode. So, once na na-punch in mo ang passcode, just say, okay. And the next thing you'll do is to allow Zoom to have, allow permission sa iyong microphone, sa iyong camera. Okay, so there are times na kukulitin ka talaga. So, right now, kita na natin ang sarili natin. And pwede ka mag-join with video or join without video. Normally, if you're going for online classes, you need to join with video kasi gusto the teacher is makita ka personally. So, the host will let you in. So, ayan. So, kita natin na makakapasok ka na sa meeting. Okay? So, ganito lang. Mabilis naman siya mag-load. Depende naman sa iyong server ang so, kita natin, this is yung presenter. This is tayo. Okay. Tinry ko naman to with my son online sa orientation and it was okay. I was able to, pinapanood ko naman siya on the sideline to see kung okay nga ba yung streaming dito sa phone na ito. And okay naman. Apparently, okay naman. And checking yung kanyang video resolution, I can say na wala naman naging problema. So, and dito naman sa side ng presenter, kita natin ang resolution ni C40. And it was good. Very presentable ang aking sarili. So, yan, kita natin no, na okay naman siya. And I can say na overall experience was good. The sound is just okay, not probably the best, the loudest sounds na meron natin for a smartphone. But overall, it was really giving me yung experience na okay, it's pasado na sa akin as a parent and marinig ng anak ko yung discussion ng teacher. That's probably what's very important sa akin. And of course, when nagpe-present ng teacher, tinitingnan ko rin siya, no, kung magiging laggy ba o hindi. But overall, yung Zoom app was able to present and was able to go on without a problem. And for me, overall experience on this one and was quite okay. Tinanong ko naman anak ko, how was it after the end of the session? Sabi niya, okay naman dad. Okay yung sounds, okay naman yung resolution, hindi naman siya yung paputol-putol. But yung paputol-putol is more on dependent sa inyong internet connectivity at home. Kung medyo pangit na yung connection, expect mo yung app would respond din slower. And makita mo yung, yung parang na-frame drop siya. It's more on do sa inyong internet service provider. So there's a lot of things you can do dito sa Zoom. You can chat the presenter, or you can chat your teacher, or you can direct the message to your crush or your classmate. Ganon kabilis lang, no? And I was able to teach my son how to navigate these settings. Kasi there are times na nag-recitation sila, mag-erase ka ng hand. So, dito, kita ng teacher, si POCO C40 is raising his hand, so pwede nang tawagin. So, okay, so pwede mo tanggalin yung raise hand kung tapos ka na mag-recitation, lower hand, and that's it. So, meeting settings, kita natin, these are the things that pwede mo i-set. Always show meeting controls, okay? So, show name pag may sumali, show non-video participant, and blah blah. Ang daming mo pwede i-setting dito, no? Now, of course, pag pumasok ka sa class, don't forget to join audio. Click mo lang to para mag-join, no? Hindi ko siya in-on right now kasi baka mag-feedback. And if you want to show your teacher what's in front of you, just reverse your cam dito sa ibabaw. Okay? So, kita na ni presenter what you are showing them. And I'm showing them the Boxy POCO C40, which is, kitang-kita natin dito as a presenter, which is very okay siya. Maayos, malinaw naman ang kanyang camera. I don't see any problem with it. For online learning purpose, itong camera ni C40 is quite good. And overall experience, be it sa Zoom, sa Google Meet, or of course sa Microsoft Teams, na-try ko yung tatlo, no? It was okay. Pasado sa akin. And ito ang itsura ng Google Meet, and itong itsura ng Microsoft Teams. Now, one of the most important thing as well for me when you go online schooling is makunat ang battery. And this phone was able to survive a 17 hours and a half based on dito kay PC Mark, the battery stress test. And having a 6,000 milliampere hours of battery, ang laki ng kanyang capacity, letting you do a online class for the whole day. Now, and hindi lang naman siya okay for online classes. Okay rin siya for online consultation, online meeting, and other online activities dahil makunat ang kanyang battery. Now, if you want a more immersive experience, you can always put on your Bluetooth na TWS, or you can still use ang kanyang audio jack na still present dito sa phone na ito. And bringing this phone out, I can say na it's looking good. Hindi naman siya yung, at this price point, medyo pangit na itsura. And yung likod niya, kahit plastic, medyo mukhang fox leather pa. Which is okay, di ba? Talagang binigyan ng konting effort ni POCO itong design niya. You can also watch videos dito, play some light games, and some other multitasking activities. Kayang-kaya na itong POCO C40. Now guys, if you want to learn more about the POCO C40, I've already made my full review, link up there. And of course, if you want to buy this phone, I'll be linking on the description box below. Now guys, if you find this video helpful, please share the link to your friends and your families. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads like this one from my channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?